Alright, we're back, folks. So if we look down, we have Bay Street down there. So the straw market is just past where you see all those flags. It's Bay Street. And then if we walk, we continue this way. So this would be the towards the harbor. British Colonial Hotel here. So we essentially walked around the British Colonial Hotel. Well, this is used to be part of the British Colonial Hotel. There's stores and office buildings and stuff here. Walk into one of these shops.
These are like Colombia for $7.
You need help?
No.
Just
Thank
looking.
you.
Thank you. Here, that's not bad.
You should have bought them in Colombia. Price difference with slippers in Colombia, we saw them for, they were like $7, 7 US dollars. Here they're $20. Right through here, there used to be McDonald's over here. This used to be the McDonald's long time ago. Now they moved it back on the main street there. Where Mr. Frogs is here, coming up. It used to be a Howard Johnson. Howard Johnson Hotel. Restaurant. Someone had a little too much to drink. Get to some daiquiris. Mr. Frogs. Senior Frogs. There's the, so that's the cabana that was built for the movie Never Say Never Again. Right there. Pick up some charters. Alright. Let's go. Let's keep going. Swim with the pigs, the lizards. That's where you pick up one of the charters.
Morning, guys. You have a booking? Good morning, guys. You have a booking? What's the name of the company?
Shut up.
Hi.
This is when you get off the cruise ship, before you exit out, you can walk down this way, and they really did a nice job fixing this up. There's a bunch of stores and shops, and There's an amphitheater right there. They have different events, concerts, you name it. Kind of quiet so far. It's still early. There's the straw market. The back side of the straw market, or the front side, depends on how you look at it. Look at that. There's a lizard. As you come off the cruise ships, you can get your tour buses here. Amphitheater. That boat there just came in. People are still looking at the city, looking at the sights, waiting for the crowds to dissipate a little bit before getting off.
You make fish fry look like this.
Mm-hmm. Say cheese. Thank you. Very friendly people. You really want to see friendly Bahamians, go to the Out Islands.
There's a playground.
Oh, there's a payphone. I don't know if it works. Let's see. There's no buzz tone. Right here's some little stalls where they have, well, they're all closed, of course. Well, most of them are closed. Bahamian handbags, $25 with Disney paraphernalia. There's a Christmas ornament.
I don't have a Christmas tree anymore. I wonder if I can do it.
That's my assistant. I'm right here for you.
Thank you. Duty-free liquor.
You know why I'm walking out?
This is where you come out here. Cruise operators.
Good morning. Let's go. Hi guys, ATV, scooter.
Junk canoe.
Museum.
What if you? Let's go see. Museum of Junk canoe. That's a big. So twice a year, these costumes, they make them handmade, and they go up and down Bay Street 3 times around Bay Street for Junk canoe, carrying that huge thing. That's your exit. Exit the cruise port.
My friend,
Go left.
what's the one?
Taxi? No. Left to right. If you go to the right, you hit Junkanoo Beach. You go to the left, you run in. You go towards Paradise Island, the bridge, and it's back where we started. No, thank you. Let's go. What's that? Oh, no. This thing's been there from 30 years ago. Well, we sign off for here. Sayonara. Till next time. Send you off with Government House. Parliament Square. Parliament Square, sorry.